Mark.
Present.
Okay. Michael Jose Recato.
Present.
To what you say. Hello to my friends. How are you today? I am gonna share my toys with you today. Shake your head, yes. Shake your head, no. Shake your head, yes. Shake your head, no.
Up and down.
Lift your arms up. Put your arms down. Lift your arms up and shake it all around again. Up. Put your arms down. Lift your arms up and shake it all around. Bend to the left. Bend to the right. Bend to the left. Bend to the right. Hello everybody. How are you today? It's time to move your body and learn and play. Hello to my
For
teacher.
tracing your paper. So good job for that, children. So everybody, let's take a picture muna. Everybody smile to your camera. Pag sinabi yung teacher, smile, don't move. Okay? Just smile only. Okay, look in your camera po. 3, 2, 1. Smile.
Can I see your two sons? Can I see your two sons? Can I see your two sons? Can I see your
2,
two
1. Smile. Okay, wow. Okay, Stephanie,
Can I see your
that.
son?
What's that? What's that?
Nothing.
That's a ladybug?
I want to draw a ladybug.
Okay. So, if you think that we can end,
I
yes,
want
ma'am.
to say hi to your son.
Oh, you want to say hi to my son? Oh, say hi to my son. Oh, this is my son. Oh, say hi. Two. Oh, say hi to them. Hi. Oh, this is the other one. Oh, this is the other one. Oh, say hi.
Okay, my
But this is so behave. This is a behave baby. Our closing prayer po ha. Let's, Doreen, lead our closing prayer na.
Me too.
Everybody,
Me too.
close your eyes po and bow your head. Doreen will lead our closing prayer. Okay, everybody, in the name of the Father, the Son, the Holy Spirit.
Trust me.
Okay, apo. Angel of God, my guardian dear, to whom gets love and trust the ear. And we are going, goodbye now, goodbye now. See you again tomorrow, see you again tomorrow. Bless you, God bless you. Thank you, and God bless you, children, and teacher will see you again tomorrow. What will you say to your classmates also?
Bye.
Bye, classmates. Goodbye, teacher.